Plain text, hey everyone! If you're like me, you've probably dreamed of earning money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore. Today I'm going to dive into the world of YouTube automation, a game changer for creating passive income. First, let's talk about what YouTube automation actually is. It's a strategy where you create a system that manages your YouTube channel with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it as hiring a virtual manager for your channel who works 24/7. Now you might be wondering, how do I set this up? The first step is content creation. You don't need to be a film director, but you do need high-quality videos that engage your audience. This is where automation tools come in. There are several platforms that allow you to schedule your uploads, manage comments, and even analyze the performance of your videos. But here's the secret sauce: outsourcing. Hiring content creators, editors, and managers can free up your time while maintaining the quality of your channel. You can find talented freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Next, let's talk monetization because, let's face it, that's why we're all here. With a well-set-up channel, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, these avenues can become incredibly lucrative. Remember, consistency is key. Automating your content doesn't mean ignoring your channel. Check in regularly, optimize your strategies, and engage with your community. Your audience can tell if you're genuinely involved, even if you're not doing all the legwork anymore. To wrap this up, YouTube automation isn't just a buzzword. It's a viable way to earn passive income if done correctly. It takes effort and investment at the start, but the payoff can be your financial freedom, so why not give it a shot? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more insights on making money in innovative ways. Catch you in the next one.